Welcome to HCS online classes. Today I am Singh going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 4 multiple and factor HCF and LCM exercise 4D part 1. Let's start. So student, find LCM of 60, 75. So we find LCM by this division method. So let us start. 60, 75. 326300, 326, remainder 1, it has become 15, 35, 15. 5420, 5525. 224, 5. 212, 5. It is not divisible, so we will write as it is. Now 5. Here we have 1, 515. Now what we do? We multiply all the prime factors and we get the LCM. So 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 5. 3, 5, 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 into 5, 300. So 300 is our LCM. So LCM is what? Least common multiple. So let's see other question. Next question. B. We have to find out LCM of 12, 16, 36, 40. Solution. We will use same method, division method. 12, 16, 36, 40. 2, 6, 12, 2, 8, 16, 2, 1, 2, 2, 8, 16, 2, 2, 4, 2, 0, 0, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 9, 18, 2, 10, 20. No. 2, this 3 is not divisible, we will write 3 as it is. 2, 2, 4, 9 is not divisible, we will write 9 as it is. 2, 5, 10. Now 2, we will write 3 as it is. 2, 1, 2, 9, 9 as it is. 5 as it is. Now see here 3, 9. So we will divide 3 and 9 by 3. 3, 1, 3. Here we write 1. This is 1. 3, 3, 9. We will write 5 as it is. 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3, 1, 3, 5. Now 5, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5. Now we multiply all the prime factors and we will get our LCM. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 3? 2, 3. 3 into 3, 1, 5. So when you multiply, we get LCM 720. So this way we have to find out LCM, least common multiple. So student, this 720 will come in table of 12 also, 16 also, 36 also, 40 also. Now find the HCF and LCM of 693, 1078. So we will find out HCF and LCM both by one division method. 693, 1078. So student, now we have to find out HCF and LCM both. So what we have to do? What is HCF? Product of common prime factors. Product of common prime factors is HCF and product of all prime factor is LCM. So we will see that which number divides both the given number. So 7, 9, 63, remainder 6 and then 3, it has become 63, 7, 9, 63. 7 1 7, remainder 3, 37. 7 5 35, remainder 2. 7 4 28. 11 9 99. 11 1 11, remainder 4. It has become 44. 11 4 44. So this 7 has divided both the number. This 11 has divided both the number. They are common prime factors for both the number. So what we do? We multiply 11 into 7, 77. It is 77 is our SCF. Now for LCM, we will multiply 7, 11, this 9, 14, and we will get our LCM. In a short way, we will find out SCF, LCM both. 11 into 7 into 9 into 14. So what answer we have got? 9702. So in this way we have to find out SCF and LCM. If you have a problem, you can find out SCF separately, as I have explained how to find out. First do the prime factorization of this number, and then you do the prime factorization of this number, then find out the common factor, then multiply the common factor, then you will get SCF. And for LCM you have to do this division method. So if you want to do that way, you can do it, and if you want to do in this manner, you can do it. So there is no issue, but I have explained so that it saves time. If both SCF and LCM we have to find, so we can do in this manner. It saves time. Now find SCF and LCM of the given numbers 168, 280 and 392. 168, 280, 392. Let's start. 2816, 248. 212, 248, 200. 212, 2918, 2612. 248, 224. 2714, 200. 2918, 2816. 224, 212. 236, 2510. 248, 2918. 7321, 7535, 7749. So these are common prime factors. Now if we use these numbers, they are not common. So these are the common prime factors. When we multiply common prime factor, we get SCF. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 224, 428, 8756. Now when we multiply all the prime factors, then we get our LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 5 into 7. So we get 5880 as a product. This is our LCM, least common multiple. So student, in this way we have to find out SCF and LCM by division method. So exercise 4D part 1 completed. Thank you.